into something very close to our hearts, the nature and background of festival dances. So, handa na kang bala mag-festival dance or mag-street dancing? So, drop your bags, secure your spaces, and because to subong, makapatulog dito sa ating nga balhas. Okay, before we start, ari na ang ating mga goals for today. By the end of this session, you should be able to discuss the nature, background, and classifications ng ating mga Philippine festival dances through video analysis. So, ang keyword natin sa BOM, ang tableau, you will perform a frozen picture representing religious and secular characteristics. And lastly, we will appreciate how these festivals optimize our community, health, and social cohesion. So, set na? Okay. So, alright. Everybody stand up. So, let's get our bodies moving with our 5 minutes rhythmic warm-up set to 4/4 sinulog percussion track. So, catch the beat. Isa, duha, tatlo. Okay, ready na ka mo? So, ready na ating mga lawas. Kayo masaot kita subong. So, follow my steps and lead. About the elements of dance, space, time, and energy. So, now let me ask you, paano ba lang nga nag-amplify or nag-daho ini ang mga elements kung ara ka na sa massive large-scale festival setting? So, think about it habang nag-asayo kita. Okay? Take your seats now. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, look at this stunning picture on the screen. This leads us to our big question for today. So what dictates the nature or the reason why these people are dancing? Ano din ba ang rason? So is it a prayer? Is it a big thank you for a blessing? Or binasugid lang natin ang storya sa atong maragdas Kokol heritage? So ano sa banta nyo ay han? So next, para masabang natin ang pamangkot ini, let's do a quick video analysis. So we will watch 2 short clips. So, on one side, look at the Atiatian Festival. Observe the deep religious fervor kag ang ilang tribal-inspired movements. So, on the other side, let's witness the Mascara Festival or ang Bacolod. Tanawan nyo ang ilang colorful masks and their celebration of your resilience. So, your task while watching, list down 3 things you can see, especially the props, costume, and movements. So get your scratch papers today and let's play the clips and watch it. Wow! Great eyes! Great job! Now let's analyze the heartbeat of these dances. 100% minal energy ang nakita naton. So let me ask you, why are drums the primary choice for festivals? Kay ano gid bala ang batinggilan kag tambor gid ang ginagamit? Next, do the movements feel individualistic or communal gid sila? Manifested gid bala ang pagkaisahanon? And how does the reason for the dance change the way people move? Next, for our abstraction. So, perfect insights. let's formalize this. We are now entering our abstraction stage para sa mas maintindihan pa din natin ang pinaka-core ukol, ang pinaka-tagipusoon sa festival dances. Next, when we define the nature of festival dances, remember these three words. So first we have the communal, performed by a community sharing the same culture and identity, emphasizing total unity, walay pinagsahi diri. So gapasundayag kita bilang isa. And second, we have the rhythmic. So it is driven by the strong booming beats of percussion instruments, mimicking our very own human heartbeat. And last, we have the cultural. And it serves as beautiful medium for religious devotion or standard thanksgiving para sa ating nga bountiful harvest. Next. So now let's talk about classification. So ang una amo ang religious. And ang purpose sini is pag-perform sang strictly in honor sa patron saints or religious icons. Next, for the movement, it involves deep reverence and traditional rituals. So ari ang aton nga mga heavy hitters kag may examples. So sinulog sa Cebu, dinagyang diri sa aton sa Iloilo, kag ati-atihan sa Aklan. And they are all dancing to honor the Santo Niño. Viva! Okay. Next, ang ating ikaduha naman nga amo nga secular, ang purpose sini is this is our thanksgiving for bountiful harvest, local industry, or our heritage. Kag pura magapasalamat sa grasyang kag pangabuhian. So for its movement naman, wildly vibrant, diverse choreography, focus on absolute abundance, and high creativity. So ang examples natin dira, ang panagbenga in Baguio celebrating their beautiful flowers, kag kadayawon sa Davao para sa rich harvest, kag maskara sa Bacolod focusing sa sa ilang resilience of their sugar industry. Okay, next. For our next, arina ang since this is PE and health, amo gid bala ang health link naton diri. So ang street dancing is actually a powerhouse tool for optimizing cardiovascular health. So the vigorous and sustained nature of festival dances provides an excellent cardiovascular workout. Ini ang mga movements naton or ang movements nga pwede. So improve your health, your heart and lung endurance. Madasig ka na, hindi hapu-hapuon. So, and also enhance your total body coordination and agility. And also boost your mental well-being through communal participation. So, makabuhin gitini ang stress natin sa inyo nga mga grade 12 students. Okay, next. So, let's see what you got. So, this is for your application. So the Tableau challenge, I am dividing the class into two groups. So sa left side sa ating room, you are assigned to create a religious festival pose. So sa ating naman na right side of the room, yours is ang secular. For your task, you have exactly 2 minutes to collaborate and create a frozen picture or tableau that illustrates your assigned nature. So check our quick rubric on the board. For our accuracy, 5 points 5 points para sa the nature clearly kung recognizable bala siya. And 5 points sa creativity. So you must make good use of high, medium, and low levels may ara sa floor. So may ara ga pungko kag may ara na gatindog. Okay. Okay, class. Handa na ka mo? Okay, ready na. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Incredible tableaus, guys. Very good. Perfect execution. To officially wrap up our lesson, let's have a quick evaluation. So please number your papers from 1 to 10. So for 1 to 5, this is an identification task based on our discussion or like naming or ang primary instrument or the core nature of the dance. So, for 6 to 10 naman, this is a classification task. Just identify if the listed festival is religious or secular. You have 3 minutes to answer. So, finish this with flying colors. Okay, ready na? Okay. Very good, everyone. So, always natin i-remember grade 12, festival dances are the heartbeat of Filipino culture. So, they don't just keep our bodies physically fit and healthy. So, but they also preserve our identity and bind us together as a community. So, bilibid ako sa energy nyo sa buong mga adlaw. So, thank you for your amazing participation and keep the rhythm alive. Take care of your health and see you next session. Bye, class.